Just that would be most effective. Thank you. If you can.
Thank you, Commissioners. As I stated earlier, I was acting as the Chief of Police for that period. And on the 2nd of February, Lieutenant Colonel Kelebogile Tipa, who was appointed as the media spokesperson for the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, forwarded the email to me, which originated from a journalist from News 24, Mr. Jeff Wicks. And it pertains to 5 questions that started off with questions about blue lights, regulatory use of it, and to who it may be issued. Attached to this email was also a memorandum on an EMPD letterhead, which purports to be a to whom it may concern letter, and wherein a list of vehicles was listed that these vehicles is our vehicles. At that specific moment, I was in a meeting, but she sent me a WhatsApp as well, wherein she said to me, I actually first read the WhatsApp before I read the email. Because on the WhatsApp, she says, here's 2 video clips. This relates to the email. And I then read the email, and in the email, there was questions then wherein there was allegations that there was a video clip where vehicles is being used in a convoy using blue lights and sirens. And then also a clip where there's vehicles that is at a small little airport with an airplane in the background. I immediately, while I was even reading the email, I started to draft the answers to the questions itself. Like the first one is a very easy answer because it asks what is the regulations and the legal situation around the use of blue lights, where I actually just copied and pasted the National Road Traffic Act's regulation pertaining to the use of blue lights. And it stepped further deep in where I finished drafting all the answers to it. I then sent that draft answers. I sent it back to Lieutenant Colonel Kelebogile Tipa, and I also CC'd the Chief's Staff Officer, Colonel Ivan du Plessis. The reason I obviously CC him is that because I'm acting chief, I must keep his office so that they know what everything is happening, what I'm doing. And I started then a process immediately thereafter of following up, because in this letter, the allegation of the vehicles, there's allegations that these vehicles belong to us. I immediately contacted Colonel Madeleine Bloemhoff, who is heading our fleet section and pounds section in the logistical support section. And I requested her telephonically, can you immediately check for me if these vehicles belong to us? And I gave her the registration numbers. She checked and verified on our internal asset register, and